STAR, we're a nonprofit, and we presented toolkits to the Laredo College students that are in the vocational classes for electrician and welding. We gave them the tools that they need to attend the class and be successful taking the courses to become certified electricians and welders.
Starting out, I didn't really have a lot bringing to the shop. I kind of just picked up what I could on the way. So getting the tools really means a lot and really shows that y'all are helping out and that y'all are really doing your part to help us as students and to really support us in what we're doing.
Significan mucho porque se requieren diariamente en las clases que tenemos. Muchas gracias por las tools y pues se le agradece que nos ayuden.
I'd like to say really thank you and really appreciate what you've done for us and really giving us what you gave to us, because a lot of us, we couldn't really, come into the shop having everything on hand like they asked for. So everything really helps.
It's a lifetime gift. They're going to use these tools throughout their career. After they get their certification, they'll use these very same tools in their career as long as they should choose to be an electrician or a welder. We gave them quality equipment that'll last them a lifetime.